A big thank you to Samsung Ghana for sending this device my way. This is one of the latest devices from Samsung in their foldable line of devices, the all-new Galaxy Z Flip 4, and I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about it, which could probably influence your purchasing decision or simply give you insights about this device. I'm Desi, talking tech with Ocean, and this is the Galaxy Z Flip 4 review.
I ran up a check, I might do it again.
It's still a big phone in terms of length, yet still very comfortable in one-hand use, and becomes compact when folded and placed in your pocket. To avoid breaks, I suggest to slap on a case for extra protection. Even with the body being armor aluminum, you can never be too safe. There are thinner bezels now, closing it feels much more steady, and the back is now a matte finish unlike glossy on the Flip 3. Samsung has significantly improved the hinge mechanism. You don't get the feel of breaking the device when you repeatedly open and close, and the gap between the device is narrower. The bezels are thinner, giving a wider viewing angle, and still symmetric, making the screen more uniform, which equates a larger field of view. Watching content on this device is truly amazing. I've watched a couple of 4K videos on this device, and the imaging was spot on, very on point. We definitely appreciate Samsung's technology in screens, as this doesn't fall short in my opinion. It is a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate screen, which definitely brings smoothness to things like scroll animations and overall great viewing experience. On the sides of the phone, to the left, there's the SIM card slot. At the bottom, there's the USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, as well as double microphones. To the right, the power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and the up and down volume buttons, and there's also a microphone at the top. So I did a brief size comparison between this device and the S22 Plus, and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is on the larger side in terms of length, but the S22 Plus is wider. But they both somehow feel a bit more compact and good to hold in hand. They definitely have different camera arrays, but I'll get to that in a moment. The Z Flip 4 comes in 4 colors, that is graphite, pink gold, bora purple, and blue, with additional bespoke colors in the bespoke edition, which include navy, khaki, red, yellow, and white. You can also choose the color of the frames, which include silver, black, and gold. It is evident not much has changed in the design department, but there are definitely some changes. The cover screen, which can serve as a secondary screen for some things on this device, has been improved. It is slightly bigger in dimensions and offers more functionality. Features like taking portrait shots with the rear camera through the screen is now possible. You can have a full-blown conversation on the screen without the need to even open your device, as well as access the quick setting styles. These things weren't possible on the Z Flip 3, and it's a great addition here. I've seen people do so much with this cover screen, things like playing complete video games such as Call of Duty Mobile on the screen. Should I give it a try? Let me know in the comment section below. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 packs a 3700 mAh battery, which is significantly better than the 3300 mAh battery that is found on the Z Flip 3. Depending on your usage, you can get at least 10 hours before you consider even charging your device. At least that's been my experience. Also, all variants come with 8GB RAM, and starting at 128GB storage, non-expandable, up to 512GB. It also comes with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset for improved performance, as well as running One UI 4.1.1 right out of the box. This is my favorite feature on Samsung foldables, the Flex mode. It allows you to use your device in a folded form while still having access to important functions. I found this very useful in situations where I needed a tripod in order to take my pictures and my videos, but with this, I just fold it in place and place it on any surface and I'm good to go. It's also very useful in video calling situations. You can fast charge the Flip 4 at 25 watts fast charging, 15 watts fast wireless charging, and output 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging. Now, gaming with this device is actually pretty good. Honestly, I expected the screen to fold in when gaming, but with the improved hinge mechanism, that's not happening anytime soon. I've been gaming at 120 FPS continuously since this device has a 120Hz refresh rate screen, and gameplay has been incredibly smooth. The details in the game pop out more, they look more vivid, and colors are on point. I haven't run into any issues of lag or delay. If 120 FPS isn't for you, you can always go down to 60 FPS or even 30 FPS in certain games. But all in all, gaming on this device is truly impressive. You need to experience it firsthand in order to understand it better. There are two rear cameras on the ZFlip4. A 12 megapixel f1.8 wide mini camera, a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide with a 10 megapixel f2.4 selfie camera, on which both the rear and the front cameras can shoot up to 4K 30 or 60 and 4K 30 FPS respectively. After using the ZFlip4 as my main device for about a week now, I can say I've never really got tired of opening and closing this device. It has got me attention everywhere I went, and it has served me well in my daily usage and gaming situations. Battery has lasted, cameras take incredible pictures and videos, and the future of foldables is looking really exciting as Samsung is an industry leader. If you want a device that's up here in almost every department and you want to bring some attention and flex to yourself, this is the way to go. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I'd appreciate if you do so, and also leave a like and your thoughts on this video in the comment sections down below. I'm Desi, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.